Well, it's been a busy week in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen, and we decided to go out on a high note. Jack Chen is here of OC Chopsticks, and you know what that means. Sushi time. Welcome.
Yeah, welcome to the show.
Hi, Lisa.
Hi.
Very happy to be here as always.
Yes, and
Thank
we are
you for
happy to
having me
have
here.
you. We love sushi, but we're all intimidated by trying to make it.
Yes. And we're going to have make two sushi rolls today.
Okay.
One is called Miami roll, and the other one is called Jalapeno Sriracha. So it sounds like a little spicy, right?
It does sound spicy. Miami roll, though, I like the sound of
Yes.
that. So what's in it?
Okay. It has like mangoes, asparagus, and the shrimp and the crab meat in there. Yep.
Okay.
I think that's pretty good rolls.
Sounds
good
delicious.
to me. And you're going to actually show Steve how to roll sushi because he's never
yes.
tried it with a pro before.
Oh yeah, but he seems like ready. He wears
He
the
is
sushi
ready.
glove.
I'm ready. I've got the
Right.
sushi gloves on, so.
So you ready to be a chef?
Yeah, I'll give it a shot.
Sure. So let's just start it then, right? Cool. So, all right. So this is the CV. It's important when you make the sushi and the sushi rice. Try to do it like this.
And sushi rice is stickier.
Yes,
So
sticky
it all
rice.
holds together.
Yeah. We usually put some like vinegars and the salts and some like lemon juice in there.
Oh,
to
lemon
make-
juice.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So to make them more flavors. So
Oh, that's interesting.
so first we spread the rice like this.
And I don't know what it
Okay.
is about sushi gloves, but they are a game changer.
Yes, the rice doesn't stick to your hands, which
Yes.
I always wind up picking up my hands, and it's like I'm wearing oven
Oh
mitts.
yes. See, he knows better.
He knows.
So this is shrimp,
Okay.
and we put some crust stick.
Ah, there we go. Is that mixed with a little bit of Japanese mayo?
Yes. Oh, you already know a lot.
Well, I know it from eating it. That's all I know.
Okay.
But,
Can't roll it, but you can eat it.
right.
We
That's
put
me.
some mango in there.
Mango. Okay.
Yeah, mango.
Give it that Miami
And
flair.
some asparagus. Here,
okay.
asparagus. So that's all you need, and we just roll it up
Look at that.
and use the bamboo roller to tighten it a bit. Is that easy?
That's very easy.
Right.
Now, I thought there was more of an actual rolling, but you're
Yeah.
kind of just tightening it up.
So you can like say you can make anything like inside of you, like say if you like the shrimp, if you like the fish, avocados, cucumbers, you know.
That's
So-
where you can get creative. You can make your own rolls. right?
Yes.
So you're going to let Steve try?
All right. You want it?
Thanks,
Putting
Lisa.
him on the spot today.
So do you want me to cut it right now, or you want me to make another roll?
Why don't you go ahead and cut it?
Yes. So the knife is really sharp. We gotta very carefully.
Very sharp knife.
He moved it from me because he knows me.
And that's another thing. If you don't have a sharp knife, you kind of mush the roll, or it
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
goes south. So
And that roll is ready. We'll go
a little wasabi in the corner.
apple for decoration.
Oh,
It's interesting.
All right.
I don't have the fancy apple at home.
No.
I don't have that.
There you go.
Got
There's
it.
what she
And we're gonna
good.
put some mango sauce on here.
Look at that.
That is a little bit fruit flavor. Yeah, I like that sauce.
It is a work of art.
Yeah.
We've said that a lot this
really
week in the kitchen, but this really is. Look at that.
And so this is like tempura crunchy.
Oh, the crunchy.
Yeah, tempura crunchy to make a little crispy flavor. Right.
Mine don't look anywhere close to that at home.
They could. And the
Wasabi.
wasabi. And there's just so many flavors. That's what I love
Look,
about
Steve,
sushi. It's just
This is pretty easy, right?
Oh, yeah.
so many flavors.
Yeah. Like say you can make home, right?
Sure.
Yeah, so you just have to know how to roll it, rice and the seaweed, and then you can put it inside ingredient. You can put anything you like.
There you
Okay.
go.
So actually, this is cooked roll. This is it's not the raw.
Oh,
Right,
okay.
right. For
This is a
folks who-
good beginner
Yes.
sushi, right?
All right, that's great. It's
All
kind of like a
right.
California roll, but on the East Coast.
Oh yes.
Yeah, with the mango. Yeah, okay. Well,
Yes.
we're going to make another one, and I think we're going to have some time where you're going to actually get to try to roll it.
All right,
And that's
going
all
in.
coming up. I'm just going to sit here and watch until it's time to eat, okay? Stick around, DelmarvaLife. We'll be right back.
Okay.
Well, before the break, we witnessed the creation of this sensational sushi roll with a mango twist. It's called the Miami roll. It's the kind of thing you'll find at OC Chopsticks. And owner Jack Chen is back with us in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen, and you're going to make another one, and this one's a little spicier.
Yes, and this one is a spicy roll. It's called Jalapeno Sriracha.
It's just the name itself lends to spicy.
Jalapeno is come from Mexican, so Sriracha is come from Thailand spicy sauce.
Okay, and
Okay.
you're going to put
Yep.
Steve to work.
Yes. So now I'm going to train Steve to be a sushi chef.
All right.
All right. So I show you one time very slowly, and then
Okay.
you can try yourself. You see the rice like rectangle.
Okay. Does it matter which side of the
Left side. So usually from the left side
Okay.
to right. Right. I put it over top. You see like this.
There we go. Okay.
With your finger. Huh?
Maybe left-handed sushi rollers do it from the other
This.
side.
Right. So
I don't know.
So you use your finger.
Okay.
Use your finger. So you try to spread the rice more even. That's it.
Right.
Right.
Okay.
Now I am making that. It's called jalapeno sriracha. So this is a spicy tuna,
Oh, wow. Okay.
and this is crab meat.
More of the crab in there.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Look at that. This is where I usually go wrong. I feel like I put too much in and I can't roll it.
Yeah. So you don't want to put too much, So you just want to put like the right amount.
Okay.
So like say you can put anything you like if you make it home, right? So you put like this, and then we try to roll it up from left side also, right?
Left to right.
Yeah,
Okay.
left to right. And then after you roll like this, you just flip.
Okay. So the seam's on the bottom.
Right, yeah, seams on the bottom. Yeah, you got it. Yeah,
He catches on quickly.
yeah, he's a smart learner. Okay, and it tights, right?
And just tighten it right up.
Yeah,
Just kind of squeeze
yeah.
it all together.
Tight right up. And we're going to put something on the toppings. So this is a white tuna.
Ooh, white tuna. And again,
It cuts like butter with that
it
knife.
does, doesn't it? Sharp knife.
And we're going to put white tuna over the top.
Right. Okay.
So also for topping, just like if you home style, you can make anything. You can put like shrimp or topping of salmons or tunas, anything you like.
Right. That's the
Right.
beauty of it. Whatever your taste is, or whatever your preference is.
Yes.
Now, do you come up with new rolls, or are the rolls pretty standard?
Yeah, we have the standard roll, but we usually every couple of weeks we have a special rolls. Our chef to create it. This avocado.
You have so much to work with.
Right. It just make a little colorful and a little more flavor. So now, so you have the green color and the white color, right? Yeah, I try to do a little slower and tighter again. So you can see that color, white and green, right? And now I'm trying to cut it.
There you go.
Look at that.
It looks pretty easy, but it's not easy.
No, no. You do make it look very easy, as we've been finding out with all of our chefs this week.
Okay.
And the presentation, I find, is such a big part of it.
All right.
And now we want to have time for Steve to do
Yes.
his roll. So
Steve, going to make the roll.
can he do just a simple
While you're
roll?
dressing that one up, I could
Oh
get
yes.
started.
Okay.
Yeah. He's going to do. So
So I will hand you your
okay.
seaweed.
yes.
There we
Steve.
go.
That's the important part there.
Very
Yeah,
important.
So I'm going to show him to make a simple roll. So this is
Okay.
jalapeno we're going to put on tops. Okay, Steve. He says like hurry ready, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
No pressure, Steve.
No pressure,
All
right.
right. Yeah, take it easy.
But you got to do it in about a minute.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, come here a little bit
Oh,
more.
I think I've got too much rice. Do I have too much rice?
That's okay.
It's okay?
It's okay.
Okay,
so
so I
you
go...
can spread it even. Yeah. Yeah, whatever the way. Yep.
Okay, and you want to cover the surface as much as you can.
Yeah, more even.
More even, right?
To the corner.
Okay,
Yeah.
to the corner.
Yeah, to the corner is more important.
Okay,
Yeah.
very good.
Okay, he's
Yeah,
doing so
he
far
like
so
it.
good.
He
like
it.
Now he has to turn it
Can
over
I
and
flip it over?
hope none of it falls off.
So
Okay.
what roll are you going to make? Are you going to make a spicy tuna roll? Are you going to make the Miami roll?
Make
Oh,
a really simple one because
let's
you only
make the
have like
Miami
30
roll.
seconds.
Sure, here we
Yeah,
go.
make Miami roll, so you gotta do the other way. This
Oh,
way.
the other way.
Yeah, you put shrimp.
Let's put the shrimp this way.
Yeah, you can put, yeah.
Do I do one or two?
2, 1. It's
Okay.
up to you.
All right, we'll do two.
Yes.
And they just go right on top of each
And
other?
then you just have some crab meat.
Crab meat? Mm-hmm. All right, let's get some
Yeah.
of that on there.
Yes.
Okay,
And have some mango.
a little bit of mango.
Yes.
And does it matter? I just go right alongside
Yes. And we're supposed to put asparagus, but we don't have now. But you can put some avocado
there?
instead.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
This is a special
Do some of that in there.
Steve
Yeah,
Miami
yeah, he's
roll.
pretty good.
Well, he
I
has,
think
still
he's
has to
good.
roll it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now the big.
And
the
then
big-
now it's roll it up.
so I take it, go
Yeah,
over.
Take it, yeah. And make little tight and they roll it up. Yeah, so it sinks on bottom, right? Yeah, it's good.
Okay. And this is the last part.
And this is the last part, yes.
All right, and this is where I always go
Yeah.
wrong at home.
Always go, so you do one side like this.
One
you do
side?
one side and then that.
Oh, you hold it so it
Yeah,
doesn't
yes.
squish out the side.
Oh,
He got a plan.
that's
I think-
important.
Okay.
You make sushi at home, right?
I try.
Do you try?
I try.
Yeah,
I
I can
try.
see he. Yeah, you have some
I'm
experience.
Doesn't look quite as good as yours,
Right.
but
Yeah, it's pretty good though.
yeah.
Yeah.
May I?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
But you, so this is not easy. Okay, so watch your finger.
All right. We don't want to lose a finger. This is the delicate part of it.
Yeah, I'm nervous.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Come on now, I got it.
There
we
you
I got all my
go.
fingers.
Okay, so try to make complete and then put on a plate, nice looking.
Okay, we'll make it look pretty.
Yes.
Maybe do one down a little
Oh
bit.
yes.
There you
There we
go.
All right, and then
And then sauce,
some sauce.
mango sauce.
Oh, the mango sauce, right. How did you-
Yes.
I don't remember how you did that part.
Yeah.
We just drizzle it on there?
See. Oh yes.
Okay.
A little more, and after that we put some crunchy. Can put a crunchy tape right
All
there.
right, okay.
Just don't get any ideas, Jack. He's too busy to come work.
Are
for
you hiring? Yeah, there you
Hey,
go.
hey, hey,
Look,
now.
he do the good job. He know how to do that,
A
right?
little tap on there. There you go.
Yeah, you see.
He pays
Now,
attention.
He can compare. That's pretty close. It's very similar. So you do a good job.
Look
Look.
at that.
Look
There you go.
this.
A little, right?
Are you trying to beam me up?
There you go.
Look.
That is
did it.
wonderful. Oh,
Thank you.
Good job. Yeah, good job.
All right.
Try it.
I don't roll sushi. I just taste sushi. So yeah, that's just what I'm going to do right now.
Sure.
All right. I'm going to try
Very nice.
Steve's.
Very good job.
A
Thank
lot
you.
of pressure there.
Oh, God.
But you did it. Yeah, you did a good job. Right?
All right.
Steve Miami roll, right? Steve Miami roll.
My first Miami roll. All right.
Yes.
Success.
It's a good job.
All right. Let's go. Here we go.
And this is from Jack. You should try the roll you make.
I tried it, and it's
Okay.
delicious.
Good.
Jack Chen, OC Chopsticks. Go if you don't want to do it yourself. It's just easier to just go to OC Chopsticks, and that's what you want to do. We're capping off the week with some laughs.
That's right. Friday Funnies is next, so don't miss it. We're going to be right back after we demolish these rolls.